How to mix Frazil 100% juice. We're going to show you 2 ways that you can fill Frazil machines with 100% juice product. For your reference, each bottle of Frazil 100% juice concentrate makes 1.5 gallons of product when mixed properly. We've made it easy to refill the Frazil machine by providing you with 6 1-gallon Frazil mixing jugs with instructions to refill your machine and a halfway indicator. If you need more Frazil mixing jugs, you can get them for free at frazil.myshopify.com. The best way to fill your Frazil machine is to use the all-in method. First, start with an empty machine. Pour 1 gallon of cold water into each bowl and ensure there are no leaks. If there are leaks, the machine may need to be taken apart and reassembled to ensure there's not a problem. If there are no leaks, pour 2 bottles of juice concentrate into the machine bowl. Then fill the machine to the max fill line with cold water and turn the machine on. Be sure to fill to the max line and not the 3-gallon indicator on the bowl. If you already have product in your bowl and the bowl is at least half empty, use the refill method. Pour the bottle of concentrate into your mixing jug. Finish filling the mixing jug with cold water and pour into the machine bowl. Next, fill the machine jug up to the halfway indicator on your mixing jug and pour it into the bowl. Remember, each bottle of concentrate makes 1.5 gallons of product total. Thank you for being a Frazil partner.